Hi, I'm Keith Davis, and today's topic is estate planning. We use the following definition of estate planning. I want to control my property while I'm alive, and I want to take care of me and my loved ones in the event that I become disabled. Then I want to give what I have to who I want, the way I want, and when I want. Furthermore, I'd like to save every last tax dollar, professional fee, court cost legally possible. If you don't have a plan, the state has a plan for you, but you probably won't like it. Amazingly, more than half of Americans die without a simple will, yet every state has an intestacy statute that will govern where your assets go at death. Will someone try to keep you alive with extraordinary measures that you don't want? Will a strong-willed family member or friend seek to manage your assets during your disability in a manner that will line their pockets? Who will take care of your minor children should you pass away? Who will provide for your spouse and other loved ones in the event of your disability or death? What will occur if your spouse remarries or finds a new best friend to the detriment of your children? Will the son-in-law or daughter-in-law that you don't like inherit your assets? Some people feel, I don't have enough assets to plan, yet often they have the most valuable assets, their young children. I'm not old enough, I'm too busy, it's too complex, I don't know where to start, it's too expensive, yet when tragedy strikes, other family members are left to pick up the pieces. Yet with comprehensive planning, this situation could be avoided in a cost-effective manner. I once saw a married couple where the man was expecting a serious operation within the next week or so. A few days later, his widow called me as he did not survive the surgery. It was very sad when I had to tell the widow that state law required that part of his assets be distributed to his elderly mother who was in a nursing home. In another case, a widower left his estate equally and outright to his children. One of his children was disabled and receiving government benefits. That inheritance jeopardized that child's state benefits. Avoidable expenses were incurred to set up a special trust to allow that child to qualify for benefits. Unfortunately, not only were those expenses incurred, but also part of that child's inheritance will ultimately go to the state. This was avoidable. When a client's ready to start, we're here to help.